Hey everyone, today we're diving into the COSLUS C20 cordless portable water flosser. Let's open up the box and see how it works. Here's the instructions. Comes with a bunch of accessories in this bag. Charging cable. Different heads to put on it. And then here is the device itself. So yeah, let's go put this together and see how it works. Whether you're on a trip or just looking to upgrade your floss game at home, this compact tool might be your next essential. The C20 uses a dual-threaded water jet system with an ultra-fine 0.3 millimeter stream, pulsing between 1,400 and 1,800 times per minute, which means you get a wide and thorough blast that reaches deep between teeth and along the gum lines. And if you travel often, this is a game changer for keeping your oral care consistent. It packs a 300 milliliter removable water reservoir, which means no more stopping mid-floss to refill it. It has enough capacity to clean your entire mouth in one go. It helps to clean 99.99% of bacteria from your mouth. And the detachable design makes it super easy to clean, refill, and maintain. So it's built for convenience at any moment. Its battery life is another standout. With a 1,400 milliamp rechargeable battery, you get up to 30 days of use from just a 3-hour charge. And the compact design makes it easy to pack in a bag without being bulky, so you get portability without sacrificing performance. The upgraded metal motor gives the flosser a lifespan of over 3 years, which is impressive for a device this size. Plus, it's also IPX7 waterproof, so you can even use this in the shower. That's a big win for multitaskers and anyone who wants to streamline their morning routine. It comes with 3 pressure modes: soft, standard, and strong, so you can tailor your flossing experience to your comfort levels. It's also suitable for all ages, and with 5 interchangeable nozzles included, it's perfect for families or shared bathrooms. And its ergonomic handle adds to the comfort, making each session feel less like a chore and more like a self-care ritual. And so yeah, if you're looking for a reliable, travel-friendly, and tech-forward way to clean your teeth, then definitely check out the COSLUS C20 water flosser today. And you can take a look in the link below. See you.